Custom craft laminate countertops are a beautiful accent to any space. Follow these simple steps to ensure that seams and miters are properly assembled to ensure durability for years to come. Items needed for miter assembly will include a clamp, square drive bit, screw gun, 7/16" wrench, shims, an Allen wrench, and miter bond wood glue. Dry fit the top for proper fit and alignment. Two types of fasteners are offered for seams and miters. Assembly will vary. Attach the fasteners in a slightly offset pattern from front to back. Loosen the long bolts and attach to the countertop. Apply a liberal amount of water-resistant wood glue in the joint. Inspect the seam and bring the two pieces into alignment. Snug all the fasteners. Adjust the height as needed using the adjusting screw. Test fit the seam with the biscuits. Apply a liberal amount of miter bond glue to the edge of each piece of the countertop. Slide the pieces together and set the miter bolts in place. Snug the miter bolts. Carefully turn the countertop over. Locate the high side of the miter and pound it down to alignment with a hammer and block of wood.